No, I think this thing is going to end up breaking. The first thing we're going to do is measure it against the original stand, and with that, we know that by loosening these 2 screws, and the other 2 at the bottom, we can extend it to the size we need. It's very, very simple. Just loosen these 4 screws. Once we've set the size we need, we simply put the screws back where they were to tighten them. Once ready, what we do is proceed to remove the original base, which is very easy. You just have to remove it with this tool, which is a hook. Basically, we remove the support spring, right? And the second part is to loosen the screw. When loosening the screw, I recommend pressing outward to make it much easier. Generally, it gets stuck there. It's simply about pushing it inward in this case to free the stand from the bike. And that's it. Now what we do is find the correct side of the stand to place it. It's basically doing the same process, putting the axle screw which I used from the original because it seemed much safer, and putting the spring back on. This little tip that you see here at the bottom of the spring comes with the stand inside the frame. It seems quite weak and flimsy, and although it goes up well, I don't know. It doesn't give me much confidence, so let's test. The stand, and look. It feels like it's going to break. Seriously, this is going to break, but I don't know how it behaves. I'll leave it for a few good days and keep you posted on how it's working. If it breaks, I'll obviously let you know. But yeah, it gives the feeling that it's not very strong. I wouldn't dare to rest the bike on that base. I think it would shatter, especially since it's quite fragile there. But let's see how it works. For now, it doesn't look very good to me either. It looks nice, but I don't know. It feels like something is missing because I don't like how it looks on the bike. I'll keep you posted, folks. Thank you so much for watching. There's nothing more to say except take care and stay clean.